A mother and a son from Barnet have graduated from the same university in the same subject on the same day. Samir LaRue and her son Edwin studied politics at Birkbeck, University of London. They credit each other with providing invaluable support, even if there were a few odd moments on campus. They've been talking to our education reporter, Mark Ashdown.
Mother and son, but also fellow graduates.
You said we've had like siblings, we've had like brothers and sisters here before. We haven't had mother and son, like this is quite rare.
They've never seen a mother and son being friends and students at the same time.
Born in Somalia, Samir moved to London in her 20s, but had to abandon plans to study to look after her mother. 40 years later, when Edwin got into university, she had an idea.
I thought, maybe if I went into, wouldn't be too bad.
I think people just the word was kind of around that we were studying with each other.
I could keep half an eye on him and he would look after me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Was it hard not to be a mum, not to say tuck your shirt in, what are you wearing?
Was I ever that kind of parent?
Oh, no.
Mummy's there, basically.
Absolutely.
Yeah, mummy's there has helped.
So are there certain advantages, like not having to send bags of washing home?
It certainly made things, I don't know.
Does mum do your washing up? I don't think she does. There were times when I wondered who's the parent around here. So he was the parent, I was the child.
And how about sharing classes?
Oh, well, she'd be at the front and I'd be at the back. That wouldn't be by accident.
Did I embarrass you, Edwin?
No. And I strategically dodged the rest of the classes that she might have been in.
I'm always shooting off my mouth with my views in the class, so tutors got to know me eventually.
But that doesn't mean that we didn't study with each other.
See, young people studying politics, all they know is what they read from the books.
If there were ever gaps in my knowledge, she was able to fill them because she lived through history as it was unfolding.
What advice then for other parents thinking of a life on campus?
Don't be so condescending and so bossy to your child or a daughter. Be their friend, be there for them.
Yes.
One final question, it might be awkward. Who did better?
Academically, he did better than I did. He did better. Yes.
Yeah, but it was hard. I couldn't have done it without her.
Mark Ashdown, BBC London News.
Lovely.